You're watching How Leap. Let's fix YouTube playback speed not working. First, update the YouTube app. Go to your device's app store, search for YouTube and tap update. Then check your internet connection. A very slow connection can prevent speed changes from buffering properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, clear the app's cache and data. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, YouTube, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. If that fails, tap Clear Data, but note this will reset your in-app settings. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the YouTube app. If you are on a web browser, try a different browser like Chrome or Firefox. Also, disable any browser extensions that might interfere with video playback. Finally, ensure you are not watching a YouTube short or a live stream, as playback speed options are not available for those video types. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.